Think mining is stuck in the past? Think again. Mining today is a high-tech playground. Drones in the sky, robotics in motion. And what you do actually shapes the world. It's a tech-powered adventure and a planet-saving mission in one. Mining is one of those rare careers where you can work anywhere. Mountains, labs, North America, South America, Asia, and beyond. And you'll collaborate with teams around the world. From the EVs we drive and the smartphones we hold, to the solar energy powering entire cities. Mining is the foundation of modern life. It supports a sustainable planet and provides the essential materials that make our dreams possible. Now, it's your chance to change the world. Be one of the people shaping the future of our planet. The next era of mining is here, and you can be a part of it.